Hello and welcome to the profile creation demonstration. Your goal here is to follow the pencils and plus signs and add as much information as possible. You don't need to complete everything at once. Take your time. A detailed profile is more important than a fast one. In this demo, we're working on a profile for an independent contractor, but the same concept applies to customers and service partners. Some fields may be slightly different. Let's start with your cover image. This helps make your profile more appealing to customers. You can pick from a list or upload your own. Next is your About Me section. For many customers, this is the most important part of the profile. It helps them get a feel for your experience and gives them a sense of your personality and work ethic. We highly recommend uploading a professional headshot. It makes your profile more personal and increases the chances of being recognized by customers. Now we get into programming skills. This is one of the mandatory sections. If you're not a programmer, treat this as your technical skills section. Under Manufacturer, choose from the list on the right or type your own. For example, if you're a welder, you might put Miller or Lincoln under Manufacturer, and MIG welding or TIG welding under Model or Controller. This section is ideal for programmers, but works for all technical professionals. Next is the self-rating. 5 stars means you are fully self-sufficient and only need to know the goal. 1 star means you've had training but little to no hands-on experience. Don't be afraid to add 1-star skills. Many customers are looking for entry-level professionals. Under skill details, write as much as you can. Include the types of projects you've done, where you did them, and what the application was. A good tip is to write your own description first, then use AI like ChatGPT to help polish it. If you're applying to a FANUC project, the first thing the customer will check is your FANUC skill detail. Make it count and keep it honest. Now you can choose to save and add another skill or save and close. This same process applies to all other sections. Applications come next. Every contract that a customer posts has an application type. For example, if you're a robot programmer, an application might be spot welding. If you're a controls engineer, it might be conveyor control. Electricians might list panel building, pulling wire, field termination, or debug. Other examples include commissioning, production support, paint, or machine vision. Occupation is another key section. It helps match your profile to jobs and contracts. Add all job titles you've held, both past and present, that relate to your skills. Give as much detail as you can. If you apply to a general robot programming job, the customer is going to look for relevant occupation titles. Keep in mind, some information may show up in more than one section. That's a good thing. Duplicate the information where it fits. Customers may only look at one section and not another. The more places your key skills show up, the better your chances of landing a contract. Industries are straightforward. Add the ones you've worked in, like automotive, food and beverage, aerospace, or pharmaceuticals. Work history usually comes straight from your resume. You don't need to list unrelated entry-level jobs, but if the experience is relevant to your primary work, make sure to include it. Once those sections are complete, you'll be able to apply to contracts. But before you go, update your availability and hit Publish Now. That's how customers will find your profile in their searches. Now let's talk about secure and personal files. These are only visible to Automate America administrators and customers after you've been hired. Once hired, you'll need to upload a photo ID, a W-9 form, and provide proof of business insurance within 30 days. Insurance typically costs between $300 and $450 per year, but it's a business expense and usually gets written off at tax time. Public documents are visible to anyone viewing your profile. Don't upload anything sensitive. This is where you can add things like customer awards, peer-reviewed papers, licenses, or patents. Banking information is private and only used by Automate America to set up direct deposit once you're hired. You can leave this blank until you land your first contract. Don't forget to update your availability and publish your profile using the button in the top right corner. Here's something most users don't know. Every time you update your profile or mark yourself available, you move to the top of the list. That means customers see you first. You can also move entire profile sections around. If one part of your profile makes you stand out, move it closer to the top. Just click the header and drag it where you want it. You don't have to complete your profile right away. You can register now and wait until you see a contract you like. Just remember, if your skills and occupations aren't listed, you might not get notified when matching opportunities are posted. Check the site often. Some contracts get filled quickly and may not even make it to the broadcast list. Follow Automate America on social media too. We post some contracts there that don't go out by email. Once you land your first contract, you'll start building customer reviews. Those reviews increase your chances of winning the next one and can help you ask for higher rates. Your Automate America profile isn't just for our site. You can copy and paste your profile URL and share it anywhere. On social media, with customers, or on job applications. We're so grateful for your time today. Thanks for being part of the Automate America community.